Hey everyone, I'm Shama from Draftpunk Studios, and in today's quick tip video I'm going to show you how to use only one material to texture all objects in your scene. Let me use our low-poly alien asset pack as an example. Simply drag and drop the C4D file into your viewport. But before we continue, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our ArtStation page and take a look at the store section where you can buy some low-poly assets for your project or download all the free ones. If you decide to buy something, here is a coupon for 30% off. Also, if there are any questions regarding my assets, feel free to contact me. Okay, let's get back to our scene. Right now, I'm going to choose a model. Let's pick up this tiny house. Oops, I need to switch on my axis. Oh, great. And I'll make a new file, copy and paste the house there. Okay, let's reset the position, and here we go. As you can see, there is only one material that also all other models use as well. Let me show you the texture itself. Here it is. Basically, it's a 256 by 256 PNG image, which was created in Photoshop. In our UV layout, we can simply choose needed polygons of the model and place them to the color we want. So, how to create the texture like that? Let's head on in Photoshop, and I'll quickly show you how to make it. Firstly, let's create a 256 by 256 file or any other dimensions you need. Click Create. So here we go. Okay, right now we need to create some cells. They'll help us to fill the inside area with the needed color. To do so, we need to create a pattern for that. Let's create a new file, 12 by 12 pixels, and hit Create. You can play around these numbers. It depends on the size and count of your cells. We need to pick the pencil tool and draw two lines with the black color. Then go to Edit, Define Pattern, name it, and click OK. Let's go back to the original texture. I'll delete the old layer and pick the Pattern Stamp tool. And in the small section above, let's choose the pattern we have just created. Make the radius of the brush a bit bigger and paint it over the canvas. Great. Now let's pick the bucket tool, choose some colors and fill several cells with them. Once you have done, save it as PNG. Let's get back to our scene. I'll delete this material and create a new one, new standard material. In the color panel, there is a texture slot. Click on this button and then Load Image. Choose your texture and click Open. Cinema will tell you that this texture isn't in your project folder and will ask to copy it here. I'll hit Yes. So now our material is ready to go. Drag and drop it on your model, go to UV Edit section, and in the Materials tab, click on the red cross to make the texture visible in UV Editor. And here we go. Let's take some polygons and place them somewhere to color our model. Okay. This model was already prepared, but your UV layout may look a bit different. Let me show you. So, all you have to do is go to Automatic UV, choose Cubic and hit Apply. This should be fine. Then click T on your keyboard to enable Scale tool. Select all your polygons and just scale these UVs down until you are happy with it. Make it a bit smaller than your cells. Then take a Move tool and place these polygons on the color you want. After it, you can go to your model and in the polygon selection mode, start to choose polygons you need to have a different color. That's it. Thank you guys. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm preparing lots of interesting tutorials for you guys. See you soon. Bye bye.